Welcome back, Hotwheelers. Welcome to Rocky Mountain Raceway. It's going to be a spectacular Halloween event. The Hand of Elimination is back from 2020. It's going to be new and exciting. We've got some fantastic competitors, cars that have been chosen by a number of you guys on YouTube channels. We've got Skull Crusher, Turtle Shell, Praying Menace, Velociraptor, Bone Shaker. It's going to go fast, it's going to go hard, they're going to go quick. As you can see right here on what you're watching, the competitors are getting ready, the tires are getting warmed up, getting ready for action. It's going to be fantastic. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited. Let's head down to the start line and let's see who's going to be our first competitors on Rocky Mountain Raceway. The results after the first round of racing is Arachnarod, which was selected by Big L's Diecast and GNR Vintage Diecast Racing, went through from the first round directly into the semi-finals. Also doing really well is Praying Menace, which was selected by NZ Racing and Tune Tracks Racing. Bolo Brown Miniature Racing, he's done really well selecting Turtle Shell with a time of 5.490, and Akuz Transport, which selected Triceratruck with a time of 5.775. One of these cars will be going into the finals, and they'll be facing none other than Speed Spider, which is the winner of Hand of Elimination from 2020. This car has done really well, a real fast time of 5.1443 on the track. So who will be facing it? Stay tuned. The race will drop down on the 31st on Halloween's Day. So guys, look forward to that, and we'll see you on the track.